locating session. Fuck you, Rockstar.
I'm still in the session.
My dad's got a 2008 Chrysler 300.
Oh, my dad got a 2015 or 2014 Chrysler 300S.
You said what?
Well,
me,
my
not
shit
me.
timed out.
Have you done anything to it? Hello?
What?
Yeah.
What's your asking?
The guy that
We leave for the cruise now?
Have you done anything to it? Have you done anything to your guns?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I see.
And then all these kids, they want like Italian cars and shit.
I bought the wrong car.
It's LJ.
Yeah.
$30,000 for a
Yeah,
hunk
that's
of shit.
expensive.
Yeah, they're not even worth it. They're fucking shitty.
Hey guys, come line up.
The only thing you're gonna get with a Mustang is a really cheap pussy, buddy.
That's
Alright,
Yeah,
cat.
you're
no,
gonna get some
no,
cheap ass
no.
pussy.
And a brand new. No. there's
Trust me,
20
bro. My
that cost
dad
like
has
50K.
dealership when he had Mustangs. They test drives cars, and he says they're really just cheap. They just feel cheap to sit in. They're expensive and they're fucking ugly.
Hey, could we go, host?
That's what I'm saying.
I'm trying to call my car.
Slicer. Get in line.
I know. I'm still waiting for it to call my car. It's taking a long ass time.
Just pull up to him.
Oh, there we go. I got it.
I know, I'm saying.
Well,
Hopefully-
I'd assume we would.
Alright, which way y'all?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I'll be right behind y'all. Y'all
Well, also to the fact that we're driving muscle cars, the braking's gonna be ass.
go. Move, dumbass.
Yeah, everyone pass me, pass me.
How's this a million?
Don't follow me. Don't follow the Civic. I'm trying to get clips.
That's what I'm saying.
No, get in the other lane. Don't follow the Civic. I'm trying to get clips.
Ooh. The only dude that's not in the muscle car.
I mean, all these kids want all these fast-ass cars, and it's like, it's just unrealistic, and they always get in trouble with them. I'm a Japanese man, bro.
Oh,
Go ahead. No, I'm getting clips.
And but they're nice, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, I did. I got that. I got that.
I know it's
I mean, we can agree to disagree on that.
Go ahead, hop in. Go ahead, hop in.
Well, they're
Hop in,
fast,
hop in.
but they're really shitty in every other regard. That's what they're built to do. They're drag cars. They're built to go forward. They're not actual, like, good driving cars. They just look cool and they drive fast.
Oh my god, look at this